The Rode NTG4 Plus paired with the Tascam 60D Mark II. Am I about to enter audio heaven? Let's find out. What's up guys, Will with F1 Tech. So I've been using for a while now the Rode VideoMic Pro, and I love that microphone, guys. But you know, it's been a pain in the butt to use it as, you know, for my A-type videos. And you know, if I want to go ahead and take it out and use that microphone with my B-rolls, it's just a pain in the butt going back and forth. And I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna get a second mic, I might as well upgrade. So I went online. I did a ton of research to see what pair would work great. And you know, I stumbled upon the Rode NTG4 Plus. And for the video recorder, I looked at the Tascam 60D Mark II. Let's go ahead and do this unboxing, and then we'll go ahead and just check the differences between the Rode VideoMic Pro and this NTG4 Plus microphone. We'll also plug it into this recorder, and we'll check out the differences there. I'm pretty excited about this, guys. This is really gonna boost the quality of my videos, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Let's jump right in. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. Let's read what this box says. NTG4 Plus directional shotgun microphone with rechargeable lithium battery. Let's see, it has super low noise electronics, high pass filter pad, high frequency boost, internal lithium battery up to 150-hour usage, micro USB charging cable included, and 10-year warranty. All right, so let's open this. Okay. Grab a knife. All right. So, ooh, this came out pretty crappy. Here's the mic itself, some silly packet, USB cable, looks like a mount, all right, back here looks like a washer of some type, manual, sticker, a little pouch, and that's it. So not much in the bag, in the box, not much in the box. Let's go ahead and open this Tascam, huh? All right, the Tascam DR60D Mark II linear PCM recorder for DSLR. All right, here's the manual. USB cable. That there, let's not lose that. Here's the unit itself. Not bad, not bad. First impressions, feels a bit plasticky. I wonder how the durability is on this. We'll see with time. But there it is. That's it. I also got this XLR extension just so I can have enough play when I connect this thing. So not much as far as unboxing goes, so let's go ahead and hook this up. We'll start testing it and see how this quality is. Alright guys, so I got everything set up. I have the Rode VideoMic Pro and the NTG4 Plus connected to the Tascam 60D Mark II audio recorder. So I have the VideoMic Pro and the NTG4 Plus probably, it's literally maybe 8 inches away from me on a 45-degree angle, so I can get kind of the best audio. I'm just gonna talk a bit, and we'll just switch the mics back and forth. I'll put it on the screen below, and you'll be able to see which mic I'm using, and then we'll go ahead and see if the quality was worth the price, or if I could have just made out getting another VideoMic Pro. So let's talk about my channel for a little bit. So when it comes to electronics, I really don't provide any scientific measurements to provide to you guys. I'm just a regular consumer who just loves collecting electronics gear, whether it be camera gear, video game or PC parts, video games, peripherals for gaming PCs. And all I'm trying to do as far as this channel, because this is all for fun, guys. I'm not making a living off YouTube. I have a full-time job. I love my job. This is just something that can get me out of my shell, speak to you guys, giving you my experience on how I've been using these types of equipments. Growing up, I've never been well at speaking, and speaking with my thoughts. I don't know if it's a disability, maybe just called, maybe I'm just stupid, but it's hard for me to talk to people or anyone, or gather my thoughts and make it sound cohesive. I try really hard. So this is something that helped me out personally, so I can work on that. And so with that and covering stuff that I love, my hobbies, I think is the perfect way for me to kind of get out of my shell. So I'm glad that you guys are sticking with the ride. If I get a great following, that's great. I'm not in it for the fame. I'm in it to provide some type of information that could benefit you guys. So hopefully I'm doing that, and we'll see where this goes. All right, so I'm gonna go edit this, and we'll see how this sounds and how I feel about it, and I'll give you my final thoughts when I come back. So, man, this NTG4, guys, it sounds great. I am very impressed. I am loving it. I think the upgrade was definitely worth it. The VideoMic Pro, still great sounding mic. However, this NTG4 Plus is definitely going to up the quality of my audio for my video for you guys. So I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys would like to purchase one of these. So with all the products that I get, guys, I buy it with my own money because I want to use it. So this is definitely a keeper. I'm going to have this forever, or until it breaks. And another thing, guys, if you register this on Rode's website, you get a 10-year warranty, which is awesome. So let me know in the comment section down below how you feel about the audio switching up between the two shotgun microphones, between the Rode VideoMic Pro and the NTG4 Plus. Let me know what kind of setup you guys use for your videos. And you know what, guys? This is just the beginning. I'm pretty excited right now. I'm in the market for looking for a B camera. I want to stick with Canon, but I don't have to. I'm thinking about using for my B camera either a Panasonic's GH5 or a Sony a7 III. That's been pretty popular in the interwebs. That looks like a great camera. I'm just debating on what kind of adapter I can use to use my Canon lenses, or if I have to, just go all out with either 4/3 lenses, micro 4/3 lenses, or the Sony full lineup lenses, the Zeiss and the G Masters, all that stuff. I really don't want to. I want to stick with my Canon lenses, but we'll go ahead and see how that works out. Or I'm actually kind of debating whether I should pick up the Canon XC15 that shoots in 4K. It's the lens is just one lens. You can't detach it. So I'm just kind of weighing my options right now. What I use for my B-roll is the Canon SLR2. It's a great camera. However, it just shoots in 1080p. I would love to just stick with 4K. So this camera here, I will just have it as my C camera. We'll just check it out. Well guys, thanks for sticking around. I love doing these types of videos. This is just, again guys, since my first video that I put out there, this is just for fun. I love just talking tech, talking cameras, doing tutorials, doing do-it-yourself videos. So, you know, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And you know, guys, I will see you on the next one. Peace.